going to break down this hairstyle. And what I really love to do, and a big part of updosystem.com training, is breaking down the hairstyle, understanding the deconstruction of the photo so that you can section your head and reconstruct the design based on the system to break it down. So then you enter into your updo appointment step by step and you know where you're taking it. Now in this picture, she is standing with her chin down. So this height looks higher than it would be if her chin was up. So that's an important thing when you're looking at this with a client. When you look at where the poof starts, there's a few areas in here. So the poof starts here, and that is this section. Then right here is another section. And then this dip is another section. So what that does is it teaches you how much hair to gather for this part, because if you gather too much for this, you won't have enough left for your dip. And if you gather too much in here, the hairstyle will not be balanced. So let's break that down over here. Section 1 is always the front. Then we have 2 and 3 are the sides. And then section 4 is the crown. This section 4 is small because we're just looking, I'll show you on the head, for a small poof. Just a small poof, because we need all the hair we can manage to gather for all of this amazing volume. And this is what I would do in a real wedding party, is I would section her, and then I would know where I need to curl. If I spend 40 minutes curling the whole head, and in reality I don't need curls in the whole head, then now I am losing money. And I'm telling you, whenever I teach, it's always about profitability for you and the guest experience.